Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be removing acrylic nails at home. So this is something I decided to do because I got my nails done at this place that shall not be named, and they just did a really crappy job. I mean, they are just like so, you can't really tell, but they're just so bubbly, and I love the color. So I did it for like the 4th of July. I was gonna originally get red, and then I decided on this one last minute. But here's the thing. It has been literally maybe a week and a half, and they look like that. They are so grown out and so gross. Like, even when I first got them, I got no compliments on them, nothing. My mom was like, "Oh, where did you go?" It was just a mess. So I'm never gonna go back there, and I'm just kind of the type of person that does not like confrontations. I should probably go back to them and say, "Hey, you messed up, take these off." But see, that's awkward, so I'm just gonna do it at home. I looked up how to remove acrylic nails at home on Google. So basically, there's ways to remove it with and without acetone. I am going to do the one with acetone, even though it is a chemical. Basically, what you'll need is acetone, nail clippers, nail buffer or file, cotton balls or pads, aluminum foils, and petroleum jelly. I have everything, I think, besides the petroleum jelly, which I'm going to have to find. Let's just cross our fingers. Everyone with me. Cross your fingers that this works, because I'm so over these. Like, I almost had a panic attack the other night because I looked at them and I was like, oh my god, I need these off my fingers. Like, oh shoot. I don't know if anybody else has ever had that feeling, but like, it's not a good one. So without further ado, let's get some acrylic nails off. Okay guys, so I have moved us into the bathroom, just because I feel like it's easier to clean up. All right, so we have the nail clippers to clip my nails for the first step. This is to file my nail down in the top coat so that the acetone can penetrate it. And then I already have my pre-cut aluminum foil, and then I have cotton pads and cotton balls right here. I don't know which one I'm gonna use that. We'll see. And then I have my 100% acetone maximum strength. I think I got this at CVS for like $2, so we'll see how that works. Finding some petroleum jelly. It has grease in it because my dad used it for working on his cars, but that is totally fine. It's just to protect our skin, so excuse it being dirty, but now my skin will be protected, and that's awesome. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna get started. I'm super nervous, but these nails just have to come off. All right, we'll see. Hi, bud. What you doing? You got your new ball. Look at you. You got your new ball. Look at the puppy butt. It's so cute. All right, so we're gonna take the first nail, and we're just gonna, oh boy. Oh god. All right, this kind of hurts. Not gonna lie. I don't know if it's just me being like scared. Oh, okay, interesting. All right, I'm not gonna cut it any shorter than that. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so we're just gonna, oh, I hate this. It's like nails on a chalkboard. Oh, we're gonna be here for a long time. Jelly is done. We are going to add some acetone into a little mug. And then we're going to, I think I'm going to use cotton balls since I think that they will absorb more of it. And here we go. So we're going to place those on our nail. And we are going to wrap it with the aluminum foil. This is really hard to do on yourself so that it is tight. Also, be aware, acetone is kind of cold. Okay. So now guys, I think that I'm actually going to just do one hand at a time since it is going to be really hard to get the other ones on this hand. So I think I'm just gonna leave this hand out and just stick with this for now. So I will come back in 25 to 30 minutes and we will reveal and see how it all went. Okay, so it has been around like 27 minutes and we are ready to take this off. I'm nervous, guys. Let's see if this works. Here's the moment of truth. So I double wrap these. So let's just see. That's so weird. Do you guys see that? Huh. I can scratch it off, I think. Oh, yeah, buddy. I think I'm actually going to leave the rest of them on, though, for a little bit. Oh, wow, it's like so, like jelly. I think I'm gonna actually put this back on and leave them on for like 10 more minutes. All right, I will be right back. So it has been around 37 minutes. I decided to leave it on for a little bit longer because I just wanted it to be easier to get off, but it did seem like it was working, so that's awesome. Okay, so here we are. So we're gonna take this one off. It did come off a little bit more. I think I'm just gonna have to like scrape them, but it's coming off in this like weird stuff. It's one done, and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna have to probably file it down a little bit, but it is gone. It is gone. Awesome. So let's just take this one off. So this one's pretty much the same thing. It's kind of just like this gel-like substance at this point. And what I'm gonna do is just get them all off and then file them down. Obviously, I still do have to do the other hand, but I will do that off camera. Well, there you have it, guys. It like kind of worked, if y'all can see that. Awesome. I'm gonna file some of these down just to make sure I'm getting all of that acrylic off of there. they are all done. Now, the other side. I will do this side and then I will be right back to tell you my final thoughts. So I am back, you guys. So this actually really worked. The only thing is that if you can see on my nails, there is still some, like on this middle finger right here, you can see there is still a little bit of acrylic left. Same thing on these two fingers right here. You can see that right there. But here's the thing. I think if you had regular thickness acrylic nails, this wouldn't be a problem. I just think mine were done so thick. I actually think that the girl missed a step, like, or didn't file them down enough. I don't know. She also didn't do, like, you know, the thing where they stick that little, like, rotating in the nail and go and carve out that little center. She definitely did not do that. So I just think that she missed some steps and did not file them down enough, because they literally looked like, have you ever seen like the 100 layered nail polish challenge? It's basically what my nails looked like. I mean, you saw them. So, I mean, it was just a bad experience, and I'm so thankful that I found a DIY way to get them off, and I don't have to look at those hideous things anymore. It was definitely very easy. It was just time consuming, and definitely, like, the smell was like, ugh. And my fingers kind of still smell like acetone, so, like, who knows when that will go away. But it did work. I did not have to have that awkward confrontation with this salon, nor did I have to go to a different salon and pay to have these acrylics removed that were just done terribly. So it really worked out for me, and I'm really recommending this. It really worked. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!